नमस्कार साथीहरू, हाम्रो च्यानलमा स्वागत छ। आज हामी अंग्रेजी वाक्य सिक्ने छौं। के तपाईं मलाई सुन्न सक्नुहुन्छ? क्यान यु हियर मी? क्यान यु हियर मी? उनी घरमा छैनन्। ही इज नॉट एट होम। ही इज नॉट एट होम। उहाँलाई मनाउन खोज्दैछु। आई एम ट्राइङ टु कन्भिन्स हिम। आई एम ट्राइङ टु कन्भिन्स हिम। मैले के गर्ने? What I shall do. What I shall do. म तिमीलाई झुट बोलिरहेको छैन। I am not lying to you. I am not lying to you. के तपाईं बिरामी हुनुहुन्छ? Are you sick? Are you sick? डाक्टर कहाँ जानुपर्ने भन्ने लाग्छ। I think you should go to the doctor. I think you should go to the doctor. एक सेकेन्ड पर्खनुहोस्। Wait for a second. Wait for a second. बाहिर पानी परिरहेको छ। It's raining outside. It's raining outside. म गर्न सक्दिनँ। I can't do it. I can't do it. मसँग समय थिएन। I did not have time. I did not have time. एक घन्टा पर्खनु पर्छ। You have to wait an hour. You have to wait an hour. तिमी पुरै बदलियो। You have completely changed. You have completely changed. तिमी मसँग किन रिसाएको? Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry with me? तिमीलाई के भयो? What happened to you? What happened to you? म तिमीलाई प्रतिज्ञा गर्छु। I promise you. I promise you. के तपाईं साँच्चै राम्रो हुनुहुन्छ? Are you really well? Are you really well? म जाँदै थिएँ। I was leaving. I was leaving. आफ्नो मुख बन्द। Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. मेरो गल्ती थिएन। It was not my fault. It was not my fault. यहाँबाट बाहिर जानुहोस्। Get out of here. Get out of here. अब चुप्प लागा। Be quiet now. Be quiet now. त्यो मेरो लागि पर्याप्त छ। That's enough for me. That's enough for me. तिमी बिना म अन्धो छु। I am blind without you. I am blind without you. मलाई तिम्रो बारेमा सबै थाहा छ। I know everything about you. I know everything about you. म तिम्रो पोखैमा छु। I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. यदि मैं गलत छैन भने if I am not mistaken. If I am not mistaken. उहाँ तपाईँ जस्तो देखिन्छन्। He looks like you. He looks like you. मैले त्यो शब्द बोलिन। I did not say that word. I did not say that word. न डराऊ। Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. मेरो लागि केही गर्नुहोस्। Do something for me. Do something for me. हामी एकलौकै फेरि कहिले देख्यौन छैन। We will never see each other again. We will never see each other again. तपाईँ अंग्रेजी बोल्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? त्यो मलाई भन। Tell me that. Tell me that. के तपाईँ मलाई स्पष्ट सुन्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? के तपाईँलाई यो याद छ? Do you remember it? Do you remember it? म उसको बारेमा केही गर्दिन। I don't anything about him. I don't anything about him. तपाईले हतार गर्नु पर्दैन। You don't have to hurry. You don't have to hurry. मैले सोच्नु पर्छ। I have to think. I have to think. मैले गर्नु पर्छ। I have to do it. I have to do it. म अब जानु पर्छ। I have to go now. I have to go now. तपाईले हतार गर्नु पर्दैन। You don't have to hurry. यू डोंट हैव टू हरी, मलाई सहयोग गर्ने न किन गर्ने। विल यू हेल्प मी और नॉट, विल यू हेल्प मी और नॉट,